Sanibonani Maswati kithi namhlanje ambama lapha ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini lonivuselako njengenhlala yenda nguye Comrade Velaphi Mamba, the Black Mamba, the one and only Black Mamba, the original Black Mamba. Sesikhathi ke Maswati ukuthi salenithinzana khona emakhaya kutshela bona bogogo nabomkhulu ukuthi selihlelo lwabo lolihamba embili i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Siyanivusela ke Maswati akithi, sinivusela emagumbini lamane emhlaba, siphinde sinivusele kuto tonke tinkhalo telive lapho kukhona nje eLiswati, noma ungekhatsi eveni laKaNgwane noma ungephandle kwalo. Ngikhani nje mangabe unengadi yebuswati emtimbeni wakho, siyakuvusela la ehlelweni namhla kulisondo lapha tilishumi nesihlanu lapha 15 December 2024. Lihlelo ngicabanga ukuthi namhla litawuba lihlelo lelungumlandvo ngoba sinansondonzima la mkantshubovu wetepolitiki yaseSwatini, Comrade Mbandlana Peter Victim wakashongo sibonga. Naye ke namhla ngihambisana naye la Maswati akithi ke sisebenzise sona lesikhathi kungena khona elihlelweni sicolise kancane nje kwephutaphuta slightly ngawo ukuthi besisaconnecta yena uMtimanze la nawusebenta ke nema-veterans, funa ubese uyabeketela ngoba ma-veterans letinye talentintfo le-technology lenye ayihambi kahle. Siyavusela khona emakhaya, solo umlayeto wethu munye Maswati akithi uthi kufuneka hulumende webantfu, hayi uhulumende wemndeni. Umlayeto wethu solo munye kwekuthi kufuneka uhulumende loyawubeka tidzingo tebantfu embili, kufuneka uhulumende loyawuholela bogogo nabomkhulu imali lephilako njalo ngenyanga. Sithi ke thina la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini sifuna nebogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya nihole 2000 emalangeni, 2000 emalangeni ngenyanga. Siyati ke thina leyo mali leyo iyawuqhamuka kuphi futhi niyayihola kanjani. Nihole ngenyanga, ningayimeli tinyanga letintsatfu. Sifuna ukuthi bantu besikolo abafunze mahala kusukela kunkhulisa preschool baze bayofika lapha ku first degree, noma ke lapha emakhonweni latsite abantu labangakhona kuwafunza. Tikhona tikolo temakhono lapha eSwatini lesithi ngema-vocational institutions labangafundzela khona eMaswati. Sithi ke hulumende lomusha weMaswati uyawukubhadalela konke lokho, awuyuhlunga awuyukhetha. Nema-students lafuna kufundzela ema-humanities ayawubiselwa afundzele ema-humanities ngoba phase tinkundla siyabona ukuthi eMaswati ayahlungwa, ayadiscriminate, ayakhishwa elihlweni lebantu abangafundziswa lapha etikolweni letiphakeme pheceleti tertiary education. Sifuna ke uhulumende lotawakha tibhedlela letitsembili. Sibonile nje Russell Aniyenga kuleli viki ukuthi kule minyaka lemithathu letako live laKaNgwane liyawube liyi-benchmark etindzabeni tetemphilo. Uyabona ukuthi hawu usengalete mithi njengoba kuhlala kutayelekile. The conditions and the framework and all the appurtenances that are required to have a functional health system in Swaziland are not there, and they cannot be there to be a benchmark for the African continent in the next 3 years. So umuntu ke naka hallucinate Maswati nibosheshe nimbone thina sithi ngihulumende weMaswati that will grow the Swazi budget, that will exercise fiscal prudence, that will enforce inclusive policies and democratic governance. Lotau deliver the kind of quality services eMaswati lawadzinga. Sithi ke hulumende lomusha lotako Maswati uyawumfakela emadamu emakhaya, likhaya libe nayo i-water system la kungakhona kuseMaswati atilimele khona tingatse nemasimu akhona kuphila, abe nesurplus lakhona nekuyithengisa etimakethe temhlaba. Sifuna uhulumende lo kanjalo lotawakha imigwaqo ifike cathatha le emakhaya la nihlala khona. Sifuna uhulumende Maswati lotawakha umnotfo welikusasa phecelete futuristic technology based economy. Umnotfo lo uyawuletha intuthuko lecakeme nalesembili eveni laKaNgwane in the digital sphere and in the robotics, mechanization and other spheres. sifuna uhulumende lo tawakha tinhlelo te-fintech letisezingeni lelisetulu lapho khona kusetshenziswa indzaba tetimali telive sifuna lelive laKaNgwane libe yi-hub of excellence in terms of imagination, in terms of invention, in terms of technology. Uhulumende lo tawu-investa kuma-startups maswata kithi lo tawuba nema-universities kuwo onke ama-regions elive sifuna uhulumende lo kanjalo-ke. Cha, siyabonga Maswati bengisa-introduce ngethemba athi niphilile. Angithathe leli thuba Mtimanze ngikubonge ngikwemukele namhla ehlelweni Visionary Perspectives eSwatini.
Amandla, viva Bhidemo, viva lokho viva. Phasi ngetinkundla phansi.
Phansi amandla no siyabonga comrade Mphandlana ngidiva ngimncane kakhulu mholi ukuthi namhla ngingahlala nawe la sitewucocisana la ehlelweni. Sisaphetha wona umnyaka sibuke ukuthi kulolu hlelo losilisungulwako lesi tabe siliphakamisa kulomnyaka lotako kakhulu sibone ukuthi asicale ngawe la ekutheni sihle siletha ema-legends la elihlelweni Visionary Perspectives eSwatini silethe bantu lekukhanya ukuthi i-contribution yabo kulomzabalazo wethu singasho ngalokho kugcwele enhlitweni ngokuthi it has been a gargantuan, a gigantic and a humongous contribution to the struggle lesikhona. So this session today is about celebrating you, but in doing so, in celebrating you, this session is also about really getting to understand ukuthi Mphandlana Shongwe ngubani, yini philosophy le informa impilo yakhe. Sitawukhulumisana ke njengoba sisendelene ama-questions thite lengicabanga ukuthi ngidakubuta wona Mtimanze namhla la ehlelweni. Kodwa ke singakacali sifuna nje ukuthi ngendlule kafishane la ekutheni namhla ngidawubonga nje kakhulu i-international work le yendiwe la sibonile bekunemhlangano lomkhulu lapha i-5th Special National Congress South African Communist Party i-SACP la sibone khona kusekeleka kakhulu kwemzabalazo welive sabona nokuthi cishe sekuya ngakhona in terms of i-consensus in South Africa, i-consensus in the region ngokuthi kufuna kube nelishintsho lolukhonsako eSwatini and sisekelekile kakhulu sibonile lapha bekunebantu labadzala bo former president Thabo Mbeki chairperson wa SACP comrade Blade Nzimanze naye general secretary comrade Zoli Mapayila and other luminaries and activists that are in full support of umzabalazo wethu. Ngetulu kwaloko Maswati sibonile lapha yona i-assembly yesithathu yelibandla le-Economic Freedom Fighters i-EFF lapho khona umholi Julius Malema nelithimba lakhe babuyiselwe ebuholini kwaphindze kwaba nebaholi labasha lokukhanya kokuthi liyabaphakamisa lona licembu. Siyawukhumbula ukuthi Economic Freedom Fighters i-EFF ingilelinye lemacembu lalisekelako kakhulu live leKaNgwane ne-struggle noma ke neminyakato wethu ekukhulula lona live kuthi lisuke etandleni temndeni libuye kuhulumende wawo eMaswati. Sithi asikubonge kakhulu konke lokho lebekwenteka la kulempelasonto lesikhuluma ngayo sethembe ukuthi tona leto tinkulumo lesibenato tiyawulandzelelwa ukuthi uchubeke umsebenzi wekulungisa lona live la kaNgwane. Asingene ke Mtimanze namhla sesikhulumisane nje nawe la ukuthi siyabona sowukhulile sowucathatele kunengi lokwendile empilweni yakho. Ngiyakhumbula nje mina ukuthi my first contact with you personally was when you were a teacher deployed at Lavundlamanti. It was a high school. Lavundlamanti High School is one of the oldest schools in this country and has produced a lot of important people, including myself. And you were teaching there. And ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wawuhlala lapha endlini takithi lapha endlini takithi ucashe khona la nangikhumbula kahle noma wawuthi kuseBaghdad noma wawuthi kuseLebanon angisakhumbula ukuthi angikhumbula. That was my first interaction with you. Ngisesengimva nesikolo angifunda form 2. And ngiyakhumbula ukuthi nje lapha wake wasifundisa nengoma lapha kunemadvodza but ingoma tebantfu lapha wasifundisa ingoma lapha sidaphela tingomo tebantfu ticedva angeke ngilisho ligama lale ndvodza ngoba phela empeleni nonke lamadvodza sekafa lawa labekacedza le ngoma tebantfu lobo sihlabelisa ngabo. Ngicela-ke ukuthi Mtimanze sicale la ukuthi ngibani Mphandlana Shongwe. Mangabe nje sikhuluma ngaPeter Mphandlana Shongwe, who is this man? Just a brief history about yourself. Utalwa kuphi, ukhulela kuphi, ungubani vele wena?
Black Mamba, can I make before sichubeke ngicela kwenza one isicelo nje. I might be running out of a battery la, so ngicela ukuthi stand fast before I run out of something. Lolucingo lwami akusilolu uphila kahle babukele ngicela bangixolele lapho. Therefore some things utawukhanza ngasestenga ngalokunye. For instance nje i-issue ukuthi ngengibani ngicabanga ukuthi that one is a well known issue ukuthi Mphandlana Shongwe utalwa Sifundaneni. Mphandlana Shongwe utalwa 1960. I think lokumcoka in this show lokungasisita ukuthi sithi go straight to the issues la cishe asihlanganise lamuhla la before we run out of probably those mechanical issues. Mzolini Black Mamba ngiyaxolisa ukuthi kumbe lokunye ngeke sikuchaze kanengi. Lokhu lokubutako kuyatholakala in my book The Last Mile. Kunalenye futhi incwadi le sebhodweni which is a continuation of The Last Mile on the front line. So some information is there. Now, before we continue, I think it has become a tradition and a culture of some people laba tsinzekako emhlabeni wonke jikelele la bangibona ngifakele iscarf less. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bathi buta ukuthi ngelisulumane noba ngeyini. Kufa abantwana eGaza, kufa abantwana eLebanon, kufa abantwana ngendlela lengakhanyi kahle babulawa ngemaHebheru. So ngicela lokho ukuthi sakhuluma tindzaba tala kangwane sikukhumbule lokho ukuthi ingadi yinye. Labo bantwana labo labafako lamuhla eGaza ingadi yabo iyafanana nale ngadi yalabantwana labashona la nge-unrest 2021. Now lokunye Black Mamba bengingacela ukuthi even before siqhubeke, allow me, you have said ukuthi I'm one of the oldest, allow me to remember my fallen heroes and heroines of this struggle. Allow me to remember Comrade Didiza, whom ukube kwakungekho yena my political career would have not been what it became. Allow me to remember Comrade Left Dominic Mngomezulu. Le ngicabanga ukuthi he will forever remain in my heart, and more in particular the recent loss of Comrade Mario. May his spirit rest in peace. Amandla, long live the spirit of Comrade Mario, long live.
Long live.
And in their honor, Black Mamba, I think it would not do a lot of damage if we may honor them with just a 1 minute silence, then we can pick it up there. Amandla.
Amandla, comrade. Let's do that, and including Comrade Thulani Maseko, Comrade Gabriel Mkumane, and others. Will take the time, comrade, to do as you say.
Long live the spirit of the foreign heroes and heroines of the struggle. Long live.
Long live. Chubeka ke Mtimanze no kuyavakala ngiyayiva le ndzaba yale battery, so ngicabanga ukuthi asivele ke singabe singena kakhulu kule tinto tabo biography naloku nje kumcoka lokuthi tinto leti siti-record, but asingene la kwekuthi so ukuthinze nje kwekuthi wena wa-inspirishwa yini ngena kulo mzabalazo, ubhice lowo mbuto loyo, ubhice nekuthi what have been the most critical and historical epochs kulo mzabalazo lesikuwo since 1973. And ngibeka 1973 ngemabomu, I'm aware ukuthi the historical grievance eMaswati predates 1973. But for proper context and framing of the conversation lesinayo namhla, ngifuna lokuthi nje sicale ku-1973 site ngala ukuthi in your view what have been the historical epochs and some of the highlights of the struggle that we are still pursuing today.
Black Mama, I'm a history student myself. You are correct, we may locate the struggle in about 1973, but the struggle dates back. If you can travel the memory lane, you will find somewhere along the history lines that the Swazi people have always been engaged in the struggle. And what has been this struggle for? We may talk about the present status quo, the present royal hegemony that is here. But the people of Swaziland started struggling long time ago, even before the Swazi nation was constituted. That is why Hilda Cooper records that the Swazi nation is formed by Makhanzambili, Mafika Muva, Bemtsab. These are groups that had been fighting and contesting space. So contesting space is not a new issue. This is an old issue. Since time immemorial, space is contested, and one who wins the space is one who calls the shot. This is the history of humankind. Therefore, the issue of our country, let me categorically put it into three phases. Here we are speaking about now, Black Mom. We are at a crossroads. We are at a situation where we don't know whether to go left, right. And we are at a situation where the constitution can't hold. We are at a situation where the country is melting down economically, socially, otherwise. It is an undeniable fact that Swaziland, or Eswatini as you may call it, is a failed state. Now, everybody is aware of this, but the biggest issue is how do we come, or how do we find ourselves here? This is the biggest issue here. How do we find ourselves at this crossroads? Many people would rush to find answers without doing a thorough research of how do we find ourselves here. Before you make a way forward, you must find out what put you here. Sibekwe yini thina eMaswati lapho sikhona khona. Agreeable sengena kuwe Black Mamba from 73. Mina, born in the 60s, I'm a generation letelwe ifundiswe ukuthi ubobinza utaba umuntu iboke sethi kwena ubothula. This is the genesis of this nation letalatsine. We are a product of a nation that has been silenced by the 1973 decree. Now, what has happened is, for all these years, Bantu babinzile. It was only late in the 70s, after 76. Now we are getting into what influences me in the struggle. This is what influences me in my generation, basically. Things may not stay forever like that. It must be remembered that in 1976, there was that uprising in South Africa. And a lot of young comrades escaped into Swaziland, and they found us in schools. We could not resist the winds of change. We could not resist understanding why they were fighting. As a result, it took only a year, 1977, during the biggest teachers' strike, where we found ourselves taking part in that strike, where we found ourselves leading. Now, what does this mean? It means some of us have been introduced into this struggle at tender ages because we happened to grab the chance. In life, chances avail themselves because nasikhathi semzabalazo kumele ngizabalaza amandla. But if uyayekela lokho uzabalaza uhambe uyokwenta letinye tinto, uyawukhanza lo mzabalazo so ukhashane like sekwendekile labanye. Sithina sizabalaza la, bantu bahamba bayohlabela le, bahlabela amagospel, bahlabela ini. Basinababuya kulo mzabalazo bakhanza umzabalazo uhambile. And this is what happened. Now, fast forward. When we get into tertiary schools, remember that those students of 77, when we get into tertiary, that is the early 80s. I get it at William Pitcher, 1983, for that matter. Not knowing I was getting there for a 2-year course, not knowing that I was going to be a doctor, take 10 years there, where I spent probably a decade there. Now, one thing peculiar, what the comrades from South Africa were complaining about, they were complaining about the lack of democracy in the Republic of South Africa because of apartheid. And when we started opening our eyes, we started to match apartheid and Tingundla. We found out that this was one Munye Lomu Kwantuli. That is why the relationship that has been kept going between us revolutionaries of today has a long history, has a long connection. So apartheid and Tingundla, these are identical twins of imperialism. They are about amassing wealth. This is at center of the issue is amassing wealth. Now, at college, we did not stay long before that generation of 1977 converged once more. They now converged where they are at the tertiary, the university, Jabavu, Ray Russell, Comrade Left, and many others. After the death of King Sobhuza, during that commotion, the seed of wanting democracy had already germinated. So that is why in 1983, some noble people of this country met at the banks of Nguluzi River, and they formed a vehicle they called Pudemo, a vehicle that would carry their aspirations. And which were these aspirations, by the way? The aspirations were to demand democracy. That is at the center of us, is demanding democracy. But what has happened? We come to where we are right now. It was Pudemo with its structures that stood up and said to the nation, we don't have a constitution. We told the whole world, we don't have a constitution. And then Mdeni Shabalala in Tingundla stood up and said, we do have a constitution. And everybody objected to that we didn't have a constitution. How? The international world stood up to say, you can't run a country without a constitution. Hence, in 1995, that CRC was assembled. Pudemo records the first victory there within the 27 demands. Demand 21, which is about the constitution, by the way. All the 27 demands have been met. mind you, except demand 21, which was met halfway or not met at all by the 2005 Constitution. That is where we are right now. The mess that we find ourselves in today in this country, it is because when we were supposed to take the right foot, we took the left foot. How did we take the left foot? We did it. The rulers of this country did after failing to accept defeat that we needed a constitution. They then turned into Swazi customs. Kungena esibayeni semuntu uthi ngoba umsisele inkomo takho leti inkomo. By the time Saka a constitutional review commission, that is where as a Maswati ngoba bese sibonile ukuthi silahlekele nesifuna i-constitution, that was where bekumele sakhe a proper constitutional review commission. Yekwe kuthi Ndulini Black Mamba ngibaphi bantu labangasibhalela lo mthetho, bantu sibalanze ngemerit, not individual merit. Lamuhla kunebantu eParliament nge-individual merit. Individual merit kupha abantu tingwa liviki bese bakukhetha. That is individual merit. This is not the individual merit we are talking about. We are talking about nakubhalwa umthetho sisekelo kwakudingakala emagcwetha. Sasinawo emagcwetha amanene akhona Dominic Mngomezulu lebekade singamdrafta thina ukuthi ngena kunalibandla, but kwangendeka lokho sakhanza thina sifakelwe umuntu kwathiwa utawungena. Ngikukhulumela lokho Ndulini because it remains in the history books of this country kwekuthi ipudemo yala kungenela bobhala umthetho sisekelo. Ngithi beside kude umthetho sisekelo besingala kanjani bobhala umthetho sisekelo. Indlela yokubhala umthetho sisekelo ibekwe phasi, ungeke wende yakho. Kwakumele thina sihlangane ukuthi nani bandla lengabhala umthetho sisekelo siqhubeke. Lokho kulidela kuphi? Kulidela ekutheni ivusela yokuqala lamntwana inkosi Mahlale Engangeni ayikhulumi lutho ngemthetho sisekelo, bayasivusela. Ivusela yesibili eqala mntwana inkosi Masithele iyasivusela, kubuya umntwana inkosi Mahlale Engangeni iyasivusela, kubuya umntwana inkosi Guduza. Economy lokhu lamuhla ngokukhuluma wena usangena la ukuthi site lokhu bakukade kwakhulunywa lawo letho into lethu ku economic ivusela belitho umntwana inkosi Guduza kwakhulunywa lokhu lokukhuluma wena. Kwabuya umntwana inkosi Mangaliso, kwagcina umntwana inkosi David lo wagcina akhiphe ini. Ukhumbule Ndulini ukuthi sikhuluma ngani la, sikhuluma ngebutsotsi, sikhuluma ngebutulujane, asikhulumi ngento lefe, sikhuluma ngento thine kwekuthi sihleli nawe la asathi ukuthi umntwana inkosi Masithele kwakhuluma abantu labangakhi bathini against what. Kuyo yonke le process kude lo watiko ukuthi bantu labangaka bathi siva ekugcineni 2005 umntwana inkosi David nakathi wena waphakathi bakhulumile labantu, but labangaka lokhu lakakhulumako the figures laba wabeka, it is not true Black Mamba ukuthi bantu kangwane abawafuni emaphathi. That is not true. Ngiwo lamanga labulayeleke lelive ukuthi bantu bakangwane bafuna ini bambambamba. Ake ngicine nganali sesicangene ke nyalo ngicabanga ukuthi nawe wonke umuntu ngilakumele lo sesicangene ke nyalo, but la sikhona khona nyalo Ndulini sisemgodini kwekuthi the country may explode at any time. Lokhu lokubona eMozambique nalokubona eSyria nokubona kuphi lokubona kuwo wonke la lo mhlaba lokugcwele lo akuchamuke esogweni ngoba akuchamuke ezulwini. Into letakheka emhlabeni, into letingehlela noba ngangibani lesingakufu kude lokhanuka le unrest lesisuka kiyo, kude loyifunako. Yonke into leyendeka lapho akusiyo into lefanele yendeke emhlabeni. kodwa yenteka futhi ngeke uthi ngeke iphindze yenteke, ngeke ingenteki. Ngani? Ngoba awusiye uNkulunkulu, awathi ukuthi abantu balele badleni konke lokho. Siphuma sibhekaphi ke Nzulini la sesikhona khona nyalo, ngoba kumele siphume la sikhona khona.
Singafiki lapho comrade Victim ukuthi siphuma sibhekaphi. Ngifuna nje lokuthi sokutinte kabanti kule ndzaba ukuthi ngoba uyibheke wathi la kwakufanele sithathe elinyawo lwangasekudla, sathatha thina elinyawo lwangasenxele. Lokho-ke kwase kusiniketa umthetho-sisekelo lesingathi ube stillborn lo mthetho-sisekelo, wangawaniketa eMaswati lama-rights ngalokuphelele. Sihlale sikhuluma la lihlelweni, for example, ukuthi livoti letinkundla lilihoboshe, akusilo livoti lesingathi livoti leMaswati leliphelele lelenta kwekuthi eMaswati akhona ekuthola uhulumende wawo lanemandla tikwawo. Ngiko lo sibona namhla kunemalunga ephalamende lasejele. Ngiko lo sibona namhla kuneMaswati lamaningi lasa-exile. Ngiko lo sibona namhla live seliphethwe ngemasotsha, kahle kahle seliphethwe nangemasotsha ekuhamba ekucashwa lokuthiwa ngesingisi ngema-mercenaries. Lo shothi kude kuthula la kulelive. Ngenzaba yokuthi lo mthetho-sisekelo lokhona ngumthetho-sisekelo wemndeni. Ngifuna-ke soke utinte lapho lokuthi lokuthi siphathwe nguhulumende wemndeni kwente kanjani abe emave onke emhlaba aphathwa bohulumende bebantu. Nekuthi-ke lama-struggles lesike sawabona ngasemva, bantu basemacetsheni, kuboshwa kwaboThulani nalamanye ama-activists, kufa kwaboSipho Jele, tonke letinto leto size sitewufika kuJune 2021 la kubulawa khona eMaswati kenyalo at an even greater scale. Tonke letinto leto tenteka solo kuvikelwa lo mndeni lophethe i-sovereignty yelive. Uthi tena uqala kukhuluma wathi space has always been contested in our politics, and whosoever wins then rules the day. Ngile politics of hegemony leyo, ngile politics of conquest. Lesathi kahle ukuthi emave emhlaba namhla akaphathwa ngeconquest, aphathwa ngeballot box. But le yethu i-ballot box is hollowed out and doesn't give us a government. Instead, it produces a stillborn thing that you can't even describe, that is really a rubber stamp or an extension of a family rather than a proper people's government.
Black Mom, the issue of the constitution, you see, like kumele kwekuthi before the constitution kune 1973 decree lelo ngiyiphethe. It was the 1973 King's Decree or proclamation that warranted security forces to go and occupy strategic positions. Where they are today, it is not new. What the 2005 Constitution did was to re-endorse the position of the 1973 King's Decree. That is the issue. So where are we? We are in a constitutional crisis where we have a document that is not operational. By the way, that document we are talking about, it's neither wanted by the conservative nor the progressive. This is the fallacy about the document lesikhuluma ngayo, the constitution. So the issue, it's similar to any regime around the world that is able to run through the gun. Because ukhumbule ukuthi la umbuso wetinkundla uphethe ngesibhamu. So sikhuluma ngaloko la ukuthi awukaphathi ngeconsensus, akulandzelwa i-constitution. Sikhuluma nawe, the very same constitution isinakubekwa prime minister must come from where House of Assembly and kuphi, but that never happens. So putting that aside, so yabani ke leyo constitution leyo? Thine lekumele siqale kiko, because we are in a constitutional crisis. Is how do we, as soon as possible, we can speak about everything, but as long as we don't have last uhamba khona, we are lost. Tinkundla, for everybody's information, is not a system that ingabamba lukhetho. Ngeke ukhethise abantu ngetinkundla. That is why tinkundla ever since baqala, even nengosobhuza sibili wazi washona angakake wabamba tinkundla ngelukhetho. When the electoral college, tinkundla geographically defective and mathematically defective. You see, people's representation, that is not people's representation. That is an auction, a result of an auction from the highest bidder, who can't form a government. You see what happens? We don't have a government, yet we have MPs, we have ministers. Where is the problem? The problem is, this is not the quality from the people. And how do we get equality from the people? The people must forward. This input them, we are saying the people will forward a festival of ideas and a multiple choice of leadership, where the people will be able to pick through, not through individual merit, but through quite a number of issues. One, how relevant that person is in politics. Sinenkinga la, umuntu use-parliament, but akayathi le politiki lesikhuluma ngayo. They don't even know what in 1973 kwendekani, but they're in parliament. Asiqhubeke Ntuleni, ngakaphela. Siqhubeke Black Mamba.
Yeah, no, chubeka Ntimanze kuyevakala. So mane awukasho lokho ukuthi siku-constitutional crisis nje. Uthini bambambamba, ufuneka i-constitution lensha noma kunjani. But ke usakhulumisa lokho ngifuna lokho ukuthi siyikhulumise nalendzaba lena yekuphatha live ngesibhamu. Kwekuthi nasibuka i-sustainable yini leyo nto leyo. Ngoba siyabona phindze kube nale conflation ye-culture ne-politics nekuzama kuprojecta kwekuthi lo mndeni lo siphethe usiphethe through the will of the people, ngoba naku bani bayeta kule micimbi yabo lama-cultural activities. Kanti nasikuproblematize lokho, namhlanje siyabona ukuthi ku-commission wetingatsha bathi baka-times is 20,000 of them. 20,000 wetingatsha is not even a percent of this total Swazi population. That cannot be used as a yardstick of affirmation to the royal family. But quite apart from that, there is just the intellectual aspect where we would see when we talk about self-determination, we're talking about self-determination of the country and its people, not on the basis of self-determination of a family.
Yes, Ntuleni, I think you are touching on a very important issue here. You see, i-manifesto yenhlangano mina la ngibuya khona talks a lot about culture. Asengithi nje kuthatheka ungathi i-culture yemuntu culture akusiyo yemuntu, culture yemaswati. And culture is not static, culture is dynamic. Culture iyatifela noba ibulawe. Nayi nje ngiyangibona mina ngasikhathi indlela. That was culture, but iyaphela. Bangasuka umuntu uthi indlebe lamhla bangakushesha nge-assault angisho. Kwenziselana kwaphela. That might have been a good culture because bekude emathuluthulu, bekude emabuya, bekude in yayibona leyo lokwanyana le apology if people may be offended, but we are debating about i-culture ukuthi iba nesikhathi sayo sengce siphele. Simila kule mibuso yetibhamu iba nesikhathi sayo. Kuba nesikhathi lapho khona lesibhamu singeke sikhone kumlokwanyanisa lo kumphephisa lo ngani ngoba kuphele leso sikhathi. You see, again, Black Mamba, sine nawe sibuya eNgudzeni la siphethwe khona. Sine nawe nasiye ogitha inqwala kaMama, asiko ogitha inqwala thina kaNgwane. Siyaya nje nasivakashini. Sine yethu thina inqwala esigitha le ndanzi. Now, are you aware ukuthi when we speak of culture, of late, the culture has been weaponized, the culture has been politicized. This is where the problem is. Lamuhla nawubonakala eNtwaleni wena uthanza bukhosi more than anyone. Lamuhla wena wabonakala uvunulile wena uliswati more than anyone. This is wrong. And they are missing it. Imagine if we had political parties here, people who wanted to practice e-culture. Lamuhla ngabakuphi ngabalenqwaleni, and nothing is said about politics. Everything. A lot of people would like to do that simply because, let me problematize this thing. When culture and religion, these are identical twins. There are instances like religion wayivala ngengane itawuqhamuka some years to come. The same thing with culture at times. Wayivala ngengane bantu batayenda some ugcine uyicriminalize kanzi kumbe awuyinabi. But in our instance, kubutheka uyenqwaleni and all those things sekugcine nyalo kusentshetiswa against measuring ngokuthi bukhosi wena ukuthanza kanjani. And this is dangerous because labantu abatakwenda lokho babatababethe loluthando, and at times angeke bakhone kuyidefenda le system. You see, los khuluma nawe la bomntana bomakuthulela baladgangeni yabona. A lot of people ufika isikhathi lapho khona bangakhona ukuyidefenda le system because bebangayidefendi ngalokugcwele. So that is where we are. I-culture ndulini yebantu labasembili labafana nebukhosi labafana nalababekiwe ngoba phela kune-culture le bantu abayenda kashifu, kune-culture labayenda ebukhosini, kune-culture labayenda emakhaya abo, kune-culture kude umuntu lo ngasiyi-cultured nasingakubeka kanjalo. Everybody is cultured. Usebenzisa yakamamba i-culture to run the Mamba homestead. But if lokusebenza ungemalanga ukuthi leyo culture yakamamba wonke umuntu lokhona la kuleli khaya lakamama, the culture iyakhona kumenetisa, ayikabeki labanye etulo, ayikabe kude abantu lobethulisako lapho batobukisa wonke umuntu ukuthi mina sengethule inkomo letingaka, mina sengethule ngani ngoba kwazi kwavuleka lokho labantu batawucala nyalo kwendani, batawucala kucompete ngokuthi angibonakale mina ngenda lokho, angibonakale mina ngenda lokho. Then that is wrong. When we say funa kwenza kunal point nalo indlulile limcoka leliyaye lisiphambanise ngalesinye isikhathi i-issue yale monarchy, because nasikhuluma ngeculture sifaka le monarchy ekhathi uyabona. The issue of kuna nakule bathi monarchical democracy, kuna is nothing like a monarchical democracy. Lapha sikhuluma nge-multi-party democracy. We're not talking about constitutional monarchy. We are talking about a constitutional multi-party democracy. Now let's go khona. The issue ebukhosi, the issue ye-Black Mamba ne-fiefdom yayo le dance will be catered for in that dispensation. But in the majority of cases, sikhanda sesi-conflicted. Nangihamba nje emgwaqweni, Mr. Munzi, hey, uyafuna bukhosi wena. You see, the manner I'm supposed to be expected to respond is, angibufuni, ngiyabufuni. That's not the way to speak politics. That is not the way to explain things. And that is not the way to measure and weigh the political atmosphere. In this country, we have developed a yardstick. You are anti or for, anti for. That is where the competition is. And during this competition, Black Mamba, the country falls apart underneath. The country falls apart underneath. We are destroying this country through our cultural and political tendencies. That is why we are going to have students at the university graduating on a Monday and graduating on a Saturday, and on a Monday, university is closed. You see, and you do not expect things to get better unless we do what? Unless we all come together. And the issue of dialogue, Black Mamba, we cannot run away from. You cannot run away from it. That is the end result of the Swazi people. The Swazi people must come together and craft a way forward that is going to cater for them. As things stand, things are going to continue getting worse and worse. By the way, Black Mamba, sikhuluma la situation let's the level of hunger lekhona la ngephandle, and the level of lies lekhona la ngephandle. Ukuthi kune RDF, hambani nokwenda ama-business plan, hambani nokwenda lokwa yana. You see, it is that anger that is brewing within the people. You cannot take people uthi abayokhuluma ngagesi, Black Mamba, uthi abakhulume ngagesi. At the end of the day, nakunendeka ungakusho lokhu lebakushido ubheke ukuthi bende njani. You cannot say as a prime minister bantu ababude ukuthi i-profit yagesi iyakuphi. Wena wathi ukuthi gas uthatha gas uyoholela ama-civil servants because ude imali. That is why nyalo ufuna ukuthi ukhuphule gas bafake imali. Asiqhubeke Black Mamba.
Ya nokuyevakala, siyabonga kakhulu mholi. Ngicabanga ukuthi uthinza tingoni letimcoka, especially le ndzaba ye-clarify kokuthi lana silweli kokuthi sibe ne-constitutional monarch. Asifasi la ngabozankosi kokuthi sithi sifuna lokho. No, sithi sifuna the instruments and sovereignty of the state kubuye etandleni temaswati. Kuthi ke kutase kwendekane ebukhosini bakadlamini banebukhosi babo, bakamamba banebukhosi babo, bakamaziya banebukhosi babo. Batawubona ukuthi noma ke Maswati atawubona lobo bukhosi lo bendiwa njani uma ngabe Maswati akufuna lo. Kodwa siyathi lokho ukuthi atawuba khona eMaswati la kufunako nawo lo. So the new constitutional dispensation lesithi siyayifuna must be able to be clear in how these institutions are regulated, and primarily ube clear ukuthi the powers of state and the supremacy of the people through their vote rests with the people's mandate, and no other private institution can be supreme to the people, because I think nayi problem lesinayo lenkulu la kuleli live ukuthi kunebantu labatitshela ukuthi bona bacakeme bangetulu, even constitutionally nje in terms of the 2005 constitution, ikubeka kwesobala kokuthi inkosi nendlovukazi bangetulu kwale constitution. And that's problematic. We can't have a framing where any single individual or institution in this country is not regulated by the laws of the country, nor are they regulated by the constitution of the country. So the issue of a new constitution is coming out as a very important issue in this conversation. Ngifuna comrade victims buke ukuthi bosongenile kancane, but ngifuna sanze lokuthi the current state of the struggle now, the revolution, because we have already discussed to a certain extent the collapse of the state in terms of it being a failed state, in terms of the ukhulume ukuthi yonke lento iyancibilika and kuyakhombisa ukuthi le live selifile vele. Now let's look at, switch our attention to the state of the struggle now. Where are we? What might be your reflections on where we are? And I know Gweguti, you wrote a book, The Last Mile, and you're writing another one now. But what is it now that is needed to complete the struggle?
Black Mamba, thank you very much once again. I say just before I get into the issue I'm introducing, ngifuna nje kubuyela emuva kuna issue ye constitution with the people above it or under it. You know, what must be remembered, the bone of contention here is in April 12, 1973. You know, I used to have the 1968 Constitution and then this 1973 Constitution. This is where this was a struggle emanates. Well, April 12, 1973, kupambana documents kusuka i-Constitution bayithwala enhloko bomntwana nkosimakhosi baya nayo esibayeni, yabona, afike bayishiya khona esibayeni, nabayishiya esibayeni babuya nanayo, yabo. So la sikhuluma ngokuthi kwaphambana tinzo 1973 kwasuka ipolitiki yaseParliament yaya esibayeni, kwasuka yasesibayeni yaya eParliament, njengoba ubona nje ukuthi every institution in the country iranishwa sibaya. Now, on the issue lebokhuluma ngayo, the last issue is struggle. You know, Black Mamba, I am from a religious background myself. I was taught my first prayers at an early age. And I later learned why the children of Israel had to take 40 years just to cross the Red Sea to Canaan. Anyway, what I'm implying here is this is a struggle where we are. This is not a picnic. Being a struggle. Nelson Mandela describes it as a mountain, a range of mountains. He claims when you reach the top of the mountain, you see another mountain to climb. But before you climb that mountain, you must descend this one in order to climb the next mountain. This is a struggle. And a struggle. It would not be a struggle if it would be on plains. that would not be a struggle. Maybe it would be something else. I don't know what it would be. So now, Black Mamba, according to what I understand, between 2021 to now, a lot has happened. So we need a cooling period. We need a cooling strategy. People must calm down. Those doubting Thomas must come home. Those who have, those pacifists, because we have pacifists in this struggle. People who have just concluded that the struggle has been lost. They must cool down, those people. We need to start from the basics, Comrade Black Mamba. We should not be afraid to start afresh. That is a struggle. We should not be afraid to go to the basics and re-evaluate our strategies and reinvent new ones if need be, and re-explore new and old avenues about how we eventually attain liberation in this country. Now, how do we do that? The struggle has a lot of pillars that you know. The most important one being what? Being mass mobilization. Mass mobilization. It is mass mobilization that is going to bring clarity, because where we are, we need clarity. Was the issue of an elected prime minister possible or not? That was not possible. People need to be convinced that once again, the route via parliament is a doomed route, because believe me not, the struggle was won until people bakajal Masigis. We do not forget where we are. We've been brought by what? By propaganda, too blunted to swallow. We never wanted a prime minister. Me and you, we never talked about a prime minister. And there is no formula to produce a prime minister through the Nkundla elections. Anyway, that is another food for another day. Anyway, I was on the issue that we need to find each other. When I say we need to find each other, I don't only refer to the progressive only. I'm also referring to the other side, because everybody is worried. Nobody, very few people are happy in this country. And those people who are happy, who are they? They are those who are at the positions of looting and getting benefits. The majority of people in this country are struggling. And the majority of, what do you say about the police phase 2 and all those things? I mean, this is a clear indication of how how the trust between the people, the social trust between the people and their government has won out. You see, for the first time in this history of the country, you have a policeman following another policeman. For the first time, you have a policeman spying another policeman. This is where we are, at a very dangerous situation. I said it before, that countries explode. We don't know how this one will explode, or when and how. But if you have attention, like Kibeli Kumbe in this country, utobuka frustration yebantu la khatsi ekumbini lalaba layisha labantu kude bantu, because people can't travel, they don't have money. That is the frustration lamaswati lakiyo. You see, let us not forget ukuthi why banga bonakala lamuhla loba shoko labang 20,000 laba all those things. More people would have gone there if they were happy, by the way. Now, this is a very serious indication because the people are not happy. And for the struggle to take one step forward, I want to repeat this. Let us go out and look for one another. You see, Black Mamba, by now, uyathi ukuthi uzabalaza nabani, uzabalaza ini. By now uyathi wena ukuthi kukhona labazabalaza wena, bayekele lo mzabalazo bazabalaza wena, bayekele lo mzabalazo bazabalaza mina. By now uyakwathi lokho, bongakwathi itolo ukhula lokho emzabalazweni. Eninyi umzabalazo, Black Mamba, is a living organism, is a living thing. Umzabalazo gets sick. Umzabalazo gets happy. Umzabalazo gets hungry. Umzabalazo grows. And umzabalazo uyonza, because it's a living thing. It is for anyone to see how do you nurture this tree, and how do you take Thulani Maseko's will and nurture this tree? How do you bring Mario's wishes and nurture this tree? And we do not become selfish or jealous. You see, Black Mamba, kunebantu labe bacabanga ukuthi 2021 siyakhululeka, ngibo labatawuchamuka bahamba phambili bebahlala bombandlane mani, nikhululwe ngithi vele mani, ngithi emahlahlandlela entoni. That was not a struggle. We do not forget ukuthi at the close of the South African struggle, kune labaqhamuka endleleni. In every marathon kunebantu labangena in the last mile or two or so. But fortunately, the struggle, because it is a living thing, it is able to cleanse itself. This is a sea. It cannot keep the dirt. As we speak with you, the dirt is falling apart in this struggle. True revolutionaries are being left behind. Once that you found in this struggle, yaphela ipolitiki Ndlulile. If awuyivuseteli iyaphela. And being a founder member of Pudemo does not mean ukuthi utawuhlala wena ipolitiki unayo. Takuphelela ngalelinye ilanga, and you come back and confuse laba thethe the menkli loyishiyile wena. And believe me not, had it not been for Ipudemo, we would not be having a continuation of lo mzabalazo. Being in the safe hands, the struggle has been able to relentlessly produce new cadres, to relentlessly launch new campaigns. This is how far we went. And in all what we have done, we must start afresh and redouble that effort. It may take us time. And because it is not a picnic, it will take us time. It may take us a week, it may take us a month, it may take us years. That is the struggle. That's how I'm going to do it.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mholi, ngicabanga ukuthi ubeka emagama, ngicabanga ukuthi la profound lana uthi the struggle is not a picnic. The struggle is a living organism. It is like the sea, and it cleanses us. And you have also said ukuthi in every marathon baba khona abantu vele labavumbuka sekujakelwe ngasentanjeni. I think those are very important words. But le ngathi licine kakhulu ngilele lithi we must not be afraid to start afresh and to re-inject new energy into the struggle in ways that are very consistent. I think tawusita lo mzabalazo wethu lo lokuthi we must not see the struggle as an event. The struggle is a process. And when you undertake a process, a process has got timelines, and sometimes those timelines may not be what you want them to be, but nonetheless, not achieving those timelines does not mean that there is no longer a struggle to drive. There is this question, as we zero in on this question of not being afraid, I think the point re-evaluate, reassess is a very important one. Wokuthi asikabi nalo vele lithuba since i-Boksburg declaration, for example, kuthi singene endlini kagogo nasingabeya ngeSwati sibuke lokuthi yini lengakasebenzi, yini lesebenzayo, yini lenye futhi lengentiwa ukuthi isebenze. And sive khuluma kakhulu la kuthiwa akube ne-unity, akube ne-unity, sekukhona nemagama lathi akube nema-coalition of the willing. Kodwa uyabona lokho ukuthi lento ngathi kunemanti na oil kungahlangani in terms of ukuthi yini lama political outcomes lesiwafunako. Ngoba I think uyikhulumisile indaba ekusikhona abantu labanemoya wokungathi thina sifuna tinkundla tisebente kahle, deliver ama services, bese kuba na prime minister lokhethwe sive. Kukhona libandla lelime lapho. Khona libandla lithi no, thina sifuna a multi-party constitutional democracy and dispensation lapho khona uhulumende wonke usetandleni tebantu, and asifuni uhulumende abe setandleni tetemndeni futhi asifuni tinkundla. So kunaloko ngazi ukuthi ke kunalama camps lamabili lawa langathi abanga sinako lesingathi ngesingisi itse Sikhism or an abyss between the two factions. What would be your views as someone who's been in this struggle for the past almost 40, 50 decades now?
Black Mamba, before I get into that, or angicale la, you see, kunento lengekho. For instance, ngeke tinkundla sikhuluma ngesystem lefile nyalo. Tinkundla tifile ati-operate. Wena ke nawuthi ufuna kuya enkundleni wayokukhetha, yabo ufuna wena kotivusa bese uya. That idea is dead. It's neither here nor there. That idea is very reactionary. And loyo muntu loyo lokholelwa le nto le akekho ku-mass democratic movement, because nako lala sibona silahlana khona sisingoba wena ufuna inguquko nawe sokume-MDM kanti phela wena awuyifuni inguquko. As long as wena uthi akuyokhethelwa netinkundleni awufuni inguquko wena uba kude formula yokukhetha ndinankule. Anyway, angifuni ukuyi-entertaina leyo nto leyo because ayikho kade sayichitha leyo nto leyo, ayizange nje seyibe khona leyo nto leyo. You see, lo mzabalazo lo unetikhathi netimbi. Sike saphathwa ngabo 60 days detention la, salwa nabo sabehlula, and iPhutemo has been able to launch campaigns one after the other, strategically, ilwe iphumelele. Now, we are not going to fail to bury tinkundla ngoba tafa tinkundla singayengani ngaloko ngoba le tinkundla tafana mndeni anyway, tafa ne-electoral college. Lokho khona kusiko tinkundla, nobody even knows ukuthi sindani inyalo, uyabona, until we sit down and craft i-constitution leya phambili. Kwanyalo nje siyakusito tinkundla mama lesikhuluma ngato la. That is, wonke umuntu losakhuluma ngato u-reactionary loyo muntu loyo. Ngiyangimangala mina bese kuthiwa akwakhiwe i-unit eBlack Mamba. I-unit yakhiwa lapho azange thina sesihlangane manje ngiyiphi le unit kumele siyakhe. Ngeke mina ngifuna emaphathi ngakhe nemuntu i-unit wetinkundla sibohle sidivorce ungafika after 5 years sesiyadivorce thina soyelikhethweni wena uyadliwa uyabuya kala uthi asibe ku-unit kuthi into le njengaleyo. That is abuse of democracy, that one. That in fact leyo nto leyo ikhulunywa ngumuntu losuke afuna tikiti ngawe, ikhulunywa ngumuntu losuke afuna imali ngawe, uyabona. Angisho nje nyalo nje kwanzena into naye kwekuthi hey uyabona ukuthi sesicabene sicabene nabani sebahlukene khathi nyalo sake sahlangana kuphi thina bantu labangazange bahlangane abehlukane. Mina ngizange ngibe iswalimo, mina angiyadi mina futhi iswalimo ukuthi yini manje futhi angikabe ngahlangana nayo ngihlukene phi nayo. Umuntu lengimatiko nguSilolo lengambona wahamba wakha kwakhe wakuthengisa wakujoyina kwebantu uyayibona le nto le and uthi-ke wena angibe u-unity mina nemuntu lo njengaloyo. How can you be ku-unity complete ne-political prostitute? Can you actually have i-program nemuntu longanamgogodla? Nitawuthi nenda lena i-program sohambile sokwenda lena, nitawuthi nenda lena i-program uhambile wenda lena. Kupolitiki comrade akusiko ebholeni, you cannot loan i-activist, akulonwanwa la. Ngeke kube kuswalimo uye ku-SDF uphinde ubuyele kuswalimo bakulona wena those things. That is not politics. Unless organize igigi ukuthi awuyongibambisa mngami lena utawuba kanje like beyikhona kamhlushwa. That was not a political rally. And where we were expected to have gone there to grace thina ukuthi nathi besikhona nathi besikhona, because if thina besifuna unity ngabe siyele ngabe no, that is abuse. Asiqhubeke Ndlulile.
Ngevakala Mdimanze, ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyayicacisa lento le ukuthi kukhona lidada bese kuba khona lihansi into letingafanani leto mhlawumbe nathi chamuka ungabona ngathi cishe tiyafanana ngisho timantshwele uyabona ngathi uyatiphambanisa atifanani. Wake wathi lo munye ngeke ubophele lihashi neMuse kanye ngoba lokunye lihashi lokunye nguMuse. So kubonakala ngazuthi la sikhona khona kunale abuse kwekuthi kuvakale ngazuthi fanele sibe united at all costs, even though we are divided on the fundamentals. And that's a dangerous thing because if we are divided on the fundamentals, like bengisho nje nangabe khona labathi bona bafuna kutilungisa tinkundla tidelive bati reform bese batfola ndvunankulu vele sho sasifuni kitho lefana nabo. Uthi-ke na Jesu ngeke nihambe kanye ningasiba mcondvo munye. So thine labanye asifuni tinkundla ukuthi tisebente kahle, sifuna thine live netikhiya tekuphatsana kubusa live tibe setandleni temaswati ngalokugcwele nangalokuphelele. That is the struggle that we are waging. We are waging a struggle where we want to take back the instruments of state from the royal family. We are arguing that the royal family has no right to rule over us whatsoever. They have got no legitimate basis, whether in terms of religion, in terms of culture, in terms of history. They just have no right. The right to rule flows from a democratic vote in terms of a democratic government. And that's what we want. That's all that we want.
And Black Mamba, and what you have just alluded to, it's not something from the out of the ordinary. It's something we once had It is the 1968 Constitution that gave us that right, and no one died. We are
Yes.
not seeking something that has not happened. Wealth over, there are kings and there are people. That is what we have not, by the way, said the monarchy must not be there or the monarchy must die. We have not said that. You have correctly put it. What we say, we want keys of the central bank. That's it. You can have the rest, but we want the key of the central bank. And we will give you, by the way, we will give you seats in parliament, people who will look after your affairs. But we want to distribute the wealth of the country. We will distribute it to you. But we will agree how much we give you. That is the essence of the Swazi politics. Who has the key of the Swazi bank? You see, we are not talking about who has power, where, and all those things. Who has the keys of we produce the economy, and we collectively store our money at the central bank. And somebody comes thereafter to say, when look. These are the anomalies they now. And this is not treason, by the way. You see?
Yeah, so ilapho nje lenza abantu manje cansi siya converging ukuthi indaba isekuthenini le hlale ngithi la lihlelweni letikhiya telive diphethwe ngumndeni letikhiya telive kufanele tiphathwe ngemaswati diphathwa nguhulumende lovotelwe ngemaswati kude umndeni lamhlabeni lonelive lesingathi nje ni group of people privately somewhere nithatha le live you turn it into a PTY limited senkampani yenu indlangayo yenu sonke like usho nje abatheli ngisho ukuthela athela amaswati athele bachamuke bona sebathi nyalo ngithenga imoto nyalo ngithenga kuthi nyalo ngifaka enqwaleni nyalo ngifaka kuthi kude live letawubuswa kanjani live fanele libuswe nguhulumende wemaswati. I think ngiloko la kufanele ukuthi uma sesihlala phansi senda le re-evaluation lo ishoko kube clear nangabe kunebantu abaneprogram ethi bona bafuna kuqinisa tinkundla basabona ukuthi kunelikusasa etinkundleni they can run with that program but thine le ma political objectives etfa clear ukuthi in 1973 the instruments of state and sovereignty and power of this country was taken by force from the people by a family. We are saying now the time for that is over. We want those instruments of power and state sovereignty to be retained back to the collective democratic government of the people of Swaziland. This is what we are saying. And when we say kufanele ukuthi bantu baphume emajele babuye exile, they must come into a country where hulumende lo in place is a government that is a custodian of the sovereignty of the state as bestowed on them by the people of Swaziland. I think for me, from a philosophical and theoretical and an intellectual and political perspective, that is what we are saying here, ka-visionary perspectives eSwatini. Isikhathi sethu sesiyasilimalela Mtimanze ngifuna ukuthi sigcine ngekuthi nje sibuke lastly two things ukuthi what would be your final words in motivating young people ukuthi kule mess lekhona kule live what would be your advice to them and also in the changing geopolitical arrangements globally around global governance where we are seeing an emergent multipolar world in terms of geopolitics. How should Swaziland and how should we in the democratic forces be looking at the issue of geopolitics and international relations?
Thank you very much, Black Mamba. Let me start with the last issue with the geopolitics. I think it is obvious who is coming to be dominant, especially in the economic arena. looking at things, one would be convinced that the BRICS idea is bearing some fruits. And the BRICS arrangement from its last meeting, it is showing some signs of growing, which will pose a big threat to EU, the West, and others. So on the economic front, I think as not as a country, because the kind of government we have, it's one that cannot be able to correctly locate their footing. Today they are with China, today they are with Taiwan, the other day they are with Russia, the other way they are with the, that consistency is not helping us at all. It is only helping a few individuals who happen to go to those countries. But looking at, I don't see any hope from Trump. So Africa per se is just alone. And we must be able to make an outreach, especially to the neighboring countries, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, SADC in particular. Mozambique is banning. As we speak, Mozambique is banning. And there's no guarantee that South Africa is going to last at the level of corruption. Now, coming to the youth of Swaziland, the struggle is a relay as we run out of power. The struggle is a relay. Being a relay, when an elder, you see that you must be there to take the baton and run with it. Some of us have played our role when others did not. We happened to be one of the finest cadres the struggle has ever produced. Now, surpass us, be more than victim, liberate these people. I might have failed to reach the finish line, but please, Swayoko, take us through. It's not a matter of few engagements. It's not a matter of few campaigns. Most of the work has been done. As we speak, Tingundla can't breathe because of you. Continue. You have the power. You have the time. It is on your side. If you let them now, it is now or never. Amandla.
It is now or never. Amandla, comrade. Comrade victim, comrade Mbandlana Peter Shongwe. Siyabonga kakhulu umholi wami ngokuthi uthathe leli thuba kuthi ube nathi namhla la elihlelweni Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Sesifika khona emaphethelweni alo, ngidawufuna ukuthi sisalugocota usinikete emavi akho ekugcina kwekokuthi uthini emaswatini sitokwadi kwekuthi emavi akho ekugcina ungasiko ukuthi ekugcina ukhuluma emhlabeni kodwa nje ekugcina kulolu hlelo namuhla, where we have gained a lot of insights about your work. And ngiyacela lokho ukuthi mhlawumbe early next year funa siphinde sendi podcast lapho mhlawumbe sitawuba in the same room sibe na enough time ukuthi khulumisa letinto sanze nato so that we can also record this monumental contribution that you have made for which we are grateful to the history. You have stood as a pillar of strength to many young people. And we know Gwekuti, this regime has tried to crush you, but they failed. And you remain standing even today. So your last words, Mtimanzi.
Unfortunately, the power is already going out. Safe to say, the people shall govern, reads the road sign to a new Swaziland. The people shall govern. Amandla.
Amandla, no, siyabonga kakhulu mholi. Nale battery yakho isihloniphile ngoba ukhale ngayo nje sicala, but naku ihambe saze safika ekugcineni. Maswata kithi Black Mamba, ngivelaphi ngwakamamba, ngithatha leli thuba manje ukuthi sibonge kakhulu ukuhlalisana nathi la ehlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Sisho ke Maswati ukuthi tonke inkulumo letikhulunywa la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini They are meant to be robust, they are meant to be intellectual, and they are meant to be fearless. So kude ma-holy cow conversations. Every conversation is to be had here without fear and without favor. We dissect our politics, we discuss robustly, and if you want a right of reply or want to be here to be hosted on Visionary Perspectives of Eswatini, you have the right to reach out to me and let me know. Kwanyalo masoda kithi ngicela nichubeke nithinze lona likinobho lokushelelisa yona lenkulumo yanamhla phecelezi share button. Siyayisithi ke nasilephetha lolu hlelo sithi the struggle continues, the struggle never sleeps. Aluta continua. The Black Mamba wishes you a very pleasant week ahead. Sethembe ukuthi Maswati uNkulunkulu uyawunigcina sisalungiselela bona bokhisimusi. Nibe ngilabaphilile siphinde sibonane ngalokutako. Amandla. Have a good night. Swaziland. Siyabonga.